So today, I'm going to show you how you can view your web page in in another web browser other than Internet Explorer that we have here at the college or in the classroom. On the iDrive in my folder, I have a folder called Google Chrome Portable. This is the exact same version of Google Chrome that you download and install at your house or on your computer at home. However, this is a portable version which will allow you to save it to your flash drive and take it anywhere you want to. So in class, if you want to see how your web page would look in both Internet Explorer and Google Chrome, you'll be able to have access to Google Chrome from your flash drive, and you'll be able to take a look at it. Okay, so because I believe I mentioned in class that even though HTML is a standard language, there are, depending on who the manufacturer is, different web browsers interpret the code differently. That's why you'll have to view your page in multiple browsers, so you'll know, so you can see how it would look depending on what web browser your visitor happen or your user happens to use. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing I want to point out or I want to mention is I know I have a lot of icons on my desktop, so leave my icons alone. I may clean them up a little bit later. Who knows? All right, so I'm going to go to this PC on my desktop here. Okay, and I'm going to go to Student iDrive. Yup. Go down to my folder, and right here in my folder, I have the folder called Google Chrome Portable. We're going to copy this entire folder to our storage device. Now here in my office, I'm going to copy it to the desktop. If you have your flash drive in, go ahead and save it to your flash drive. So I'm going to use the right click method, so I can see here. Copy my desktop and do my paste. Getting it may take a while, so I just give it a few minutes here. Okay, and we are done. All right, so once we have saved our Google Chrome folder onto our storage device, you're going to go ahead and open it up. So I'm going to double click on my folder, and inside of the folder you have a file called Google Chrome Portable. This is the web browser. So all you have to do is open up this folder, double click on this file, and it will open up the Google Chrome browser. Nice, huh? I know. Over here on the side here, they're trying to tell me that I have an extension that has installed on my computer in my Google Chrome. I do not want that, so I'm going to remove it. Now you may get something similar to that on your Google Chrome when you open it up, and you may not. If you do, just select remove from Chrome, and you'll be good to go. So with Google Chrome, I have no idea why, but they do not have a open option on their menu. Just like we have a Internet Explorer in the classroom, we can easily go up to File, click Open, but Google Chrome does not have that option. So I'm gonna come up here to the hamburger, and they do call this the hamburger. This is the actual name for this icon. Go up to the hamburger, and you notice there are no commands for it. So I can click on edit, nothing comes up. I click on it, nothing comes up. Okay, so what you're going to have to do to open up your web page in Google Chrome, you're going to have to use the keyboard shortcut command. control and the letter O. Okay, and it will bring up the dialog box that we're used to seeing when we go to open up files. So I'm gonna open up I want to open up the chapter 2 file. Yeah, because this is the file we played with, I believe in the chapter 2 video. Yeah, there you go. So here, this is my file, my chapter 2.html file that I have on my folder in my file using Google Chrome. Alright, now to show you the difference that you may see between the web browsers, I'm going to open up the same file in Internet Explorer. Now I want you to see the difference. So I'm going to go to my Internet Explorer down here at the bottom. Alright, so I have my stuff come up. Go to my file and open. Browse. Click on my file, chapter 2. Click on OK. Okay. Now, I'm going to put these two side by side so you can actually see the difference between the two side by side. So let me move you over and move you here. Yeah. So you see the difference? I have, on the left hand side, I have Internet Explorer. And on the right hand side, I have Google Chrome. This is the exact same file that opened up in two different programs, and yet they look completely different. So the font is different in here. The sizing is different in between, and it's all the same code. It just shows up differently, or the web browsers, or depending on the web browser, it just interprets the code differently, and it shows it up differently. Okay, so I've just shown you how you can download or copy the Google Chrome folder from my iDrive, and you can save that folder to your storage device. It doesn't matter what kind of storage device you put it on. I will always have it there on the iDrive. So if you lose your thumb drive, you can always have it on the iDrive. So now you know where it is. Now you know how to open up your files in Google Chrome. We should be using it a lot more in class, so you can take a look at how our websites look and web pages look. Okay. If you have any questions, just let me know. I can answer them. If you need help copying your files over, I can help you do that as well. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.